Sasa Academy English Medium Khumulungo admission cholui tongo tabo tongmanu norok admission ngamusong hangke aro admission ongoi mano tabo aro nursery to class 8 jara te class 8 ni simi class 11 jara admission najagai tongo tabo khumulungni best school te hostel nibu sinijagoi tongo tabo tongmanu norok aro admission ongna muchung tongkhangkhe dakti kwrwngdi science porinai rokni bagaibo balai koktoma kaham maths tei physics chemistry BSc MSc poriwi mano aro phwrwngnai joto B.Ed teacher khaijakma no tei porina muchung tongkhangkhe daktini o kokdugo kwrwngdi kokduk number 9862443379 no.
Belai ke hambai ang long biskang pajamani kai sin sal sampli Sasa Academy kok sangabu. Being a secretary compounder of this school, we have established in 2002 established Khamen Pore till today. Sasa Academy is growing. Sasa Academy is growing in the field of education. Thousands of students have left our school, passed out. But till today, we have not gone down. We are increasing slowly. With limited resource, with limited capacity, we are trying to give the best education. If you want to take admission, please ask the public, see our background as we are doing better in Tripura board education. This time is the time for our admission, class 11 arts. Please don't waste time, come forward and enjoy the education environment of Sal Sampli Sasa Academy. Thank you very much.